This is a portable oil particle counter, which is characterized by a portable box type, small size weighing 2.5 kilograms, suitable for field or laboratory testing. Open the lid, and in turn are the outlet port, inlet port, USB interface, power interface, switch, screen, and printer. Connect the power supply. After powering on, the printer will automatically produce paper, and you can enter the test interface. The top will display the test standards. The middle is the number of tests and test levels. The lower right is the moisture and temperature display. Below are samples, standards, and settings. Click on Standards, and 7 commonly used standards are built into the device. Click on Settings, and you will see measurement settings, warning settings, output settings, time settings, and calibration settings. Click on Measurement settings. The first is the flow rate, which can be set according to your own requirements, and the recommended flow rate is 25 milliliters per minute. The number of repetitions is 3 or 5 times, and the sample volume is 10 milliliters. The flushing time and the flushing volume are the same. The equipment and the liquid inlet pipe are empty before the test, and the liquid is stably entered into the equipment and then tested. One of the two can be selected. When switching, click the switch, add or subtract the parameter adjustment key, modify the click save. Click on one set, select a standard, and modify the current warn level. If the test level exceeds the set warn level during the test, an alarm prompt will appear, and the factory default is no warn. Click on the output set, which has automatic printing and automatic storage functions. There are 2 storage methods, local and USB drive. Time set is to modify the time. The calibration settings are set by the manufacturer or a third-party inspection agency, and users cannot use them and do not need to modify them. Now let's do a test. First, connect the inlet and outlet pipes. Prepare a waste liquid bottle and petroleum ether for cleaning. This is the oil sample we have treated in advance. Put the liquid inlet pipe into the oil sample and the liquid discharge pipe into the waste liquid bottle. Select a standard click sample on the test interface. You can see that the grade is not displayed at the beginning of the test. This is the process of washing according to the volume of washing. The test starts. You can see the number of tests and the current test level, and it will be automatically printed after the end of the test. And the printed data will show the number of particles for each test, and the bottom is the determination of a grade. You can also switch different standards in the test interface to check the level of other standards. After the test, it is necessary to clean with petroleum ether. Start with a single machine and put the liquid inlet pipe into petroleum ether for cleaning after there is no oil sample in the liquid inlet pipe. When clean petroleum ether appears at the liquid outlet, put the liquid inlet pipe into the air for emptying. 1. After cleaning, it is necessary to empty and ensure that there is no liquid in the liquid inlet. 2. If the oil viscosity is relatively large, you can heat it up or choose a pressure sampling device to test. 3. Bubbles in the test process will be identified as large particles, resulting in inaccurate test data. 4. Before the test, clean the pipeline with petroleum ether and then conduct the oil test. 5. The filter needs to be cleaned every 6 months.